Hello, can you hear me or not? Today I'm going to show you how I trade like all-time highs with no buy. Because like you cannot expect low and you cannot expect the high. You do not know when the market's going to reverse or if it's going to keep going. First of all, I want to say like tolerate my English because it ain't my first language. Anyway, let's start with the source. The source I use like a base time candle. In I trade ICT, so I be use a base time candle. For me, is like New York time, 7 a.m. the first fair value gap before it or the rejection block, like a fair value gap with two volume imbalances, one up, one down. I'm not gonna go into like what is an EVG or what is an or a rejection block or any of that stuff. I'm just gonna show the simple way I do it, like backtest. This line you see, the yellow one, is like the 7 a.m. I go here, I search, there is no fair value gap, there is one here, let's use it. I take it from the volume imbalance down here to here. This is what I'm going to use as my buy. Look what the price then. A high, a low, a lower high, it's breaking. This break of it is like my indication to enter. I will do sell. I trade micros because the volatility is super high. I would not risk my account. At the stop loss on top of here, the first liquidity pool that we can see. You see the movement here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. I will attack this one, let's say. You can go even attack this one with it, but like be nimble in these signs, be confident with enough. So I will go just here. I'm risking 50-50 to win 95, so technically 1.22 are they're good. I'm showing you proud of the accounts I work with. Right now I'm trading prop firms, my FView, my funded futures, it's treating me good, especially the flex account. I think that the best fucking shit that they have. Here, make it 100. Easy. No need for bias, no nothing. Just like liquidity pool, buy side eating, closes, sell side equal lows. I call them juicy. Easy. It could have been delivered even like this, but it doesn't matter for me. Technically, it doesn't matter. Be content with enough. 1, 2, 2R. Very fucking good. Let's go. This stuff repeats because it's time based. It repeats daily, especially all-time highs. I find it the easier way to fucking trade them. We go here, same stuff, 7 a.m. EVG here. I could have sold here, sell one contra, $15, closest liquidity pool, risking 15 to win no 40. Easy. No bias, no nothing, as I repeat. Time based, you just read the price action. EVG inverse, they couldn't even lay down a body in here. They're expecting 50%. Order flow is agreeing that we are going down. 40, 50. You see this? This is magic. This is my cookie cutter in all-time high. And that stuff works all day long. Like you find it in here also, New York. I'm working, lunch working. You could use it in here as a buy. It doesn't matter. One setup for the day, done. I'm showing you the micro also because this account I'm trading right now is 25K. So volatility plus the account 25K. So micros. If you do anything more than micro, you're gambling. And we ain't gambling in here. We follow structure. 7 a.m. again. Here. Let's make it 7 a.m. Boom. We go here. We search for it here. Do you see an AVG in here? Nah, volume imbalance. Nah, boom. Here it is. Catch it from here to here. Here. To the body of this one. You see? High, low. Technically a lower high, but a higher low. This is a clean indication. In trading, over leveraging is like your worst enemy. If you trade in just a micro, I'm losing 17. I'm targeting the buy side closest one. In here, 27 for 17, good. And in here, 43, and it compounds. Even before New York, even the fastness starts opening range and all that stuff. Just easy cookie cutter. And if you're doing it with the live account, that's money. Nobody gonna give you $40 for like how many minutes in here of work? 10, let's say even 15, 20, 25, it doesn't matter. That's money. We go here also, same stuff. I can show you a big sample because I've been using it for too long. Here, 7 a.m., 7:01. Let's do this. See it cleanly. Here it is. I'm doing the last week backtest. This is the way I backtest. I just check my stuff. Did you work or not? I have like 18 entries, but I'm not trading them all of them. If I win in 1, 2, I'm out. If I trade 2 of them and I lose, I'm out. Because in this game, you gotta be in it for the long term. We do buy order in here also. Buy. We do an SL in here, the down of this candle. We target the buy side. Here it is. Whoop. Target the buy side. Here it is. So we're risking 36 for 59 based on price action. If edges in here, they go up, they go down. They could not even touch the 50% of it. So technically your entry would be here. If EG -1 tick, boom, you catch $92 for risking a 40. Nobody will give you that. I'll show you one more day and I'm gonna cut it off because like this is gonna be my first video. I'm learning how to stream and stuff. And if you're here and you want to subscribe, you can do that because I will dwell on it. I will tell you all the technicals about it and the logic behind it and everything. Let's do one more. 7 a.m. Here it is. Do this so you can see it clearly. Here it is. Boom. We catch it from here, here, here. They could not even lay down a body in it. Your entry should be in here. One tick. Boom. This is a scalping model technically. Your stop loss is in here. There is, you can see there is no sell side, so we can use something easy. We just do this. We catch this low to that high. We use the fib. Boom. We get projections. There is this one. This is the full TP. You can target this one for like technically a 1-1R. You can target this one also. This is like, you can see it. You enter in this candle. What time is it? 7:10. You out at this 7:18. 8 minutes for making 18 high with no drawdown. Let's see how much drawdown we will have filled. $10, $20. Man. And if you do it like this, you can see still works here, still works here. You can use it as buys all day long. In here also, this is what ICT calls fill. We keep on going. Okay, let's switch it. Let's do this one so I can show you it works in Forex also. I do not trade Forex technically, but I used to just a little. I didn't like it that much. I like futures, options. Options, I trade Tesla, ANTC, Amazon. That's all. Tesla is the one with the best price action. If you trade in futures and you go to Tesla, you're gonna like find it easier, especially if you have structure and you ain't a gambler. You do this, choose like a day that doesn't matter, any day that you want. Boom, 7. Here it is. We go. We go, we go, we go, we go, we go. Here it is. Boom. Price didn't even go back at it. But you can use it if you can read a little bit of order flow. We get in low in here. A lower high here, lower low, then we break that high. That's a clear source. Using that candle as your entry, if you enter on it, it's like this, a buy, non-tradable symbol, so I cannot use my trado, but so let's do this, boom, a long position. Let's see you enter here with your stop loss in here. The closest buy side is this one. Boom. Let's see you target only this one. It didn't even target the London highs. It's just this one for the sake of being named. It's 1.71. That's free money technique. With no bias, no nothing. Just reading price action using a time-based candle. I think this is one of the easiest entries you can get, especially in trading all-time highs. They're talking about futures. Gold is like accumulation for months and a month or something. But it's when going to start moving, all-time highs. This year we're going to see like 6K gold. Choose another day. We can move backwards, forward. It doesn't matter. It repeats. We go to this day. Choose 7 a.m. This is my first recording. I ain't gonna edit it. I ain't gonna do nothing. I'm just gonna go into you provide it like this. I know my English sucks because it ain't my first language, but I prefer it in trading and I feel comfortable with it. If you enjoy and you find it helpful, give me like, subscribe, a like, comment whatever you want. We can discuss everything. I'm gonna dwell on this one and tell you all the logic behind it, but based only on price action on the moving leg, not left stagnant leg. This one we use just as targets. The moving leg you can read it easy with this candle. I should not say easy technically because trading is hard. The battle is like psychological more than charts. So let's say this is the candle. Here it is. The price broke it. Let's say you did enter in here like with a buy. You will get only these three candles. This is scalping model technically. But I don't care about it. I read more into it. Like I read there is a high in here, there is a low in here, there is a lower high. I will wait for it to break. You see this break? This is a clear source. 2022 model ICT. Bam, I will enter in the break of it. Like this is the candle. This is the lowest price of it. And the opening price of it, let's check it. Opening price 4,717. The moment the price did go under it in here, I will answer. I don't care. I think this one gonna be my entry. I cannot use the one I forgot about that. Little short position. We enter here with our stop loss. With our stop loss here above this one by one tick. Then all of this can be used as targets. What do you see in here? Low, high, low, higher, low, high, low. There is a lot of accumulation of sell side in here. That's going to be a juicy target. You do like this, this is what you get. 2.46. Easy using this time candle. Buy side already swept. No need to dwell on it. Just using the price action in here. What do you see? Look, they come back to it. They could not even lay down a body in 50% of it. That's like clear indication that we are bearish, very bearish. So all of this can be a target. Look, all of this target, but it failed to reach the London lows. Because like if we're using the fib and we are bullish, it's gonna set up another buy here. Boom. We're gonna set up another buy. With this one is the highest targets, but we would not need it. We just use it as an exit in this day also. Let me take the one off. If you're buying using it as an exit, here it is to the tick. Bam, they use it in here again, they go down. Easy. Let's choose another day. It's gonna be my last one. But you're gonna see me Allah. Cause I like this shit. I like trade. This is my king. I lost a lot of money on it, but I won. If you're smart enough to stick to the game for a long time, no over leveraging, no nothing, you're gonna be successful. Because all the problems from psychology of trading comes from over leveraging. Fear from over leveraging, greed from over leveraging, revenge trading from over leveraging. If you stick to one structure, one cookie cutter, you can make it on this one. 7 a.m. Here is our working candle. You're gonna ask me how do you choose them? I can put that on another video. Let's see how this one does. Boom, you sell it here. I forgot, I'm not allowed to trade it. Short position, boom, buy side, stays here. Our stop loss is in there because we scalping. We ain't waiting for a long entry or something. We scalping. Sell side, sell side, sell side. Look at this. This is an accumulation of sell side in here. That's the easiest target for me. But like you can take the first one in here, it's still profitable. Look at it. Just from here to this one is technically 3R. Look at the accumulation of sell side in here. If you do it like this, it's 4.2. That's money. For today, I think this is going to be enough. I will see how it does. I can share with you like more and more of this stuff because as I told you, this is my thing.